This is the cable tree production line, which is ready in the workshop. This line is made for customer, domestic customer. This is the workpiece, which is tested on the line. And this is the forming part. And the machine can be adapted to different widths automatically. And we have used this kind of the structure to make this machine. Pillar stands. Actually, it's our national holiday, and the domestic customers really hurry to get the machine. So we just did a little bit simple testing in the workshop. So we just dispatched the machine. And we can check the line from the beginning. It's the 5-ton decoller, and we come to this kind of the sensor looper, and we have the punching station with flat cut. This is the punching, and this is for waist punch, adapted to the different widths, as well as die too. And this is flat cut. This is flat cut. After flat cut, it will pass the sized sheet on the conveyor to the forming machine. Right now, right here, the line is ready and ready for dispatch to customer workshop, domestic customer workshop. This is the cable tree which we get from the machine. We have tested. So on the bottom is kind of this perforation pattern, and on the waist, this 3-hole is for joint plate, and this is for cover, the cable tree cover. Once the cover here, here we will have some screw or lock for cover and the body, and this is for ground cable, this hole. And this is the button punching way. And this is kind of the cable tree section. This is the whole view, what we get. And once we tested the machine in customer workshop, we will show you how the line jointed and run.